Okay, let's graph this. Notice that we're just dealing with linears. We're not dealing with quadratics yet. Let's learn to walk before we run. Okay, first things first. This one looks like it'd be ideal to graph using the x-intercept, y-intercept method. So let's do that. X-intercept means y equals to 0. So that means this is gone, leaving you 3x minus 8 equals to 0. And notice how I changed it to an equals to because I don't care about this right now. I just want to find the intersects. Bring the 8 over. 3x equals to positive 8. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X looks like it's, well, 8 over 3, which looks like 2 and 2/3. So it's close to 3. So 2 and 2/3 looks like it's, I don't know, about there. There's your x-intercept. Let's do the same thing now to our y-intercept. Okay, so here we go. Y-intercept. Y-intercept happens when x equals to 0. So that's gone, leaving you minus 4y minus 8, again, equals to 0. Bring it over. We're not doing anything yet. We're not dealing with the inequality yet. So let's just leave it the way it is. Divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4. That's gone, leaving you y equals to minus 2. So y equals to minus 2 is about there. So our graph is going to look like that between those 2 points. Now, do we draw a dotted line at this point, or do we draw a solid line? That being equals means it's a solid line. So right through there, there's our nice, beautiful graph. Now, which way do you shade? I don't know. In this particular case, that's the advantage of y equals to mx plus b, because that tells you right away which way to shade. In this case, this doesn't tell you anything. Well, how do we figure it out? Guess what? Here's a test point. So a test point is a point not on the boundary, because you don't want it on the line. You want it in this, either in this region up here or in this region down here. Okay? We got to pick a nice test point, and it's going to represent everybody. And now the point that is used to determine the point is the region that you will end up shading, because it satisfies the inequality. The best point in the world, exactly right there. Always try, if you can, the 0, 0. That makes so much more sense. Look at this. Put in a 0 here, that's gone. Put in a 0 here, that's gone. Is minus 8 less than or equal to 0? In fact, it is. Yahoo! That means any point shaded this direction over here, and you just go crazy, you shade it, any point in that section will satisfy this original inequality, which is this guy right here. If you want to be bold, go ahead and try one of these other points in this section. For example, try this one. That's 4, 0. Notice how I'm always trying to pick something with a 0 in it, because that just makes all kinds of sense. And you'll see it does not satisfy the inequality. Try it. X is 4, so this would be 4. That would be, of course, 0, so that would be gone. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 8 is, of course, positive 4, and you notice that that does not satisfy the inequality. 4 is not less than 0, so this don't work. That means this entire area below here is a no-go. So don't even shade it, don't even do anything. It's a no-go. You are, in fact, done. That's what the graph looks like.